We have a new friend joining us today. He is the health guardian. He will recommend nutritious dishes that are delicious and healthy. I am the health guardian. Kids, let's learn about healthy diet together. Guardian, what should I eat? Let me check it out. Do not be a picky eater. You have to eat a variety of foods. That's what makes you strong. Vegetable soup. Potato. Broccoli. Carrot. Eating more carrots can make your eyes brighter. Slide to cut the ingredients. Delicious potato can give us energy. Slide to cut the ingredients. Broccoli is rich in vitamins. It's good for our health. Drag the tap to rinse the broccoli. Let's see. What should we add to the pot? More fresh vegetables will freshen your breath.